In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and import contacts in Monday.com. If you're new to this workflow management tool, don't worry. I'll guide you through each step of the process, ensuring you have all the knowledge needed to organize and import your contacts with ease. This will help streamline your communication efforts and increase efficiency within your team. Let's get started. First, let's navigate to the platform and locate that all-important plus sign. You'll find it in your Monday.com interface. This little icon is your gateway to creating new boards, which will act as your centralized hub for all contact information. Once you click it, you'll be prompted to choose from several options, one of which will be labeled Board. Select this option to proceed with our task. Now that we're creating a board, what's next? We'll need to name it. Since our focus today is on contacts, go ahead and type in contacts as your board title. This will help you instantly recognize its purpose later. Remember, naming conventions are important in keeping your workspace organized, especially if you or your team members manage multiple projects simultaneously. With your board named, it's time to bring it to life. Click on Create Board. Doing so will add this new board to your dashboard, preparing it for further customization and soon a whole load of contacts. Once your board is set up, there are a few more steps to take to begin importing your contacts. Spot the three little dots, often referred to as the ellipsis, in the upper right corner of your board. A single click here will reveal a drop-down menu teeming with additional options for the board. From this menu, select Import Items. This function is vital for transferring a list of contacts from an external file directly into your Monday.com board. It's designed for simplicity and speed, saving you from the tedium of manual entry. Now it's time to bring in your data. Depending on your preference, you can either click on Browse Your Files to locate your contact list from your device, or simply drag and drop your file into the designated area. Once uploaded, Monday.com will seamlessly integrate this information into your board structure. And there you have it, an overview of how to manage and import contacts into Monday.com. Remember, as you get more familiar with these steps, the process will become second nature, drastically improving your productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.